What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be installing the water pump and the timing belt onto the Rb25. I already got everything pretty much almost ready to go. Putting the belt and the water pump and installing that. Alright, got the water pump installed. Just waiting for the RTV to dry up a little bit so I can torque it down. Already put the belt up, lined it up. Just gotta wait so I can put the tensioners on it and pretty much finish it off, put the covers on it, and I can start closing up the motor, putting the intake, putting the exhaust manifold and all the bolt-ons onto it, and hopefully get it ready to drop it into the car. I'll show you guys here in a little bit once it's all torqued down and almost ready to go. Alright, got the cams torqued down, tightened up the water pump, put the belt on, about to line it all up, put the tensioners on it, and put the valve covers, close it all up, and hopefully get it ready to put the intake and everything on it. Alright, installed the belt, lined up all the timing marks on the cams, the crankshaft. About to tighten the belt up and start closing it up. Got the belt all tightened up. About to start putting the covers on, start closing it up. About to put the ATI super damper on. Alright, got the damper installed. About to put the valve covers on, start closing it up. Alright, about to install the valve covers. I like to put a little bit of the right stuff on the gasket, just a little bit, just to help it seal up a little better, and put it onto the head. Also installed the water neck and the knock sensors onto the block, and I'll show you guys here in a little once I have the valve covers on. Alright, got the valve covers installed. Show you guys here also my water return line setup. A little ghetto, but I made it. Pretty much just comes off the fitting off the block. This goes to the water line on the turbo, and this just returns back here. Used to go to the oil cooler, or oil heater they call it, and just pretty much remove all that and plumb it back to where it used to go. Really simple, nothing really much to it, just goes right there. Pretty much almost done with it. Just gonna start putting up the last few pieces on it. Probably put the alternator, the cam timing thing on it, and pretty much call it that. I'm kind of tired, gonna go get something to eat I think, and come back later and probably try to put the rest of the stuff on it, try it out.